Hello everybody and welcome to part 4 of crop production and management class 8. Okay, so we were at the cultivator part. So as I told you before in the previous video that this diagram is very important and kindly please learn it because it will definitely come in your exam. Okay, now without any further ado, let's get on to the topic cultivator. Okay. So, what is a cultivator? A cultivator is this is a cultivator. See, a cultivator is driven by a tractor. So, as you can see, this is the tractor. Okay, so sorry. Okay, so let's move on now. Nowadays, plowing is done by tractor-driven cultivator. The use of cultivator saves time and labor. You can write this as one of the reasons as to how the cultivator is better than the normal plow, the one that's here. So it can come as like a difference question: plow or cultivator, or how is cultivator better than plow? Show reasons why, tell reasons why, or whatever. So you can say that it saves labor and time. Okay, that much is clear. Now let's move on to the next part, that is sowing. Sowing is the most important part of crop production. So the sowing is super important. It is a really important topic, probably the most important in the chapter. Okay, sowing is okay, so sorry about that. Okay, so let's move on. Sowing is the most important part of crop production. Before sowing, good quality seeds are selected. Good quality seeds are clean and healthy seeds of a good variety. Farmers prefer to use seeds which give a high yield. Okay, so now how do we take out the fact that these seeds are healthy and these seeds are unhealthy? This activity will tell you just that, and it is easy to do. So you take a beaker or a glass or anything and fill half of it with water. Put a handful of wheat seeds and stir well. After some time, you will notice that some of the seeds went to the top, and some of the seeds went and sank in the bottom. So the bottom seeds are actually the healthy seeds, and the top seeds are actually the unhealthy seeds. So the farmers use the bottom seeds, and this is a method the farmers use. Okay, would the unhealthy seeds be lighter or heavier than which those sink? Damaged seeds become hollow and thus are lighter. Therefore, they float on water. So the damaged seeds are on top and the healthy seeds are on the bottom. They sink. This is a good method to separate good and healthy seeds from the damaged ones. Before sowing, one of the important tasks is to know about the tools used for sowing seeds. Okay, now we're moving on to the tools. The first tool is called traditional tool. The tool is traditionally used for sowing seeds, and it is shaped like a funnel. You know what a funnel is? It's like that, and then like that, something like that. You put a lot of stuff in it. Okay, so shaped like a funnel. The seeds are filled into the funnel, passed down through 2 or 3 pipes that have sharp ends. These ends pierce into the soil and place the seeds there. So as you can see, this is the traditional way of sowing. So they put these seeds in this funnel like structure, and that funnel like structure goes into the soil, and this pushes the soil back. So that is how the traditional way works. Okay, so let's move on. Now this is the seed drill. This is the modern you can say modern way of doing it, or modern, this is like a modern traditional one. So this traditional one, they've modernized it. So it's now become a seed drill. It is much easier to use and it is much faster as well. Nowadays, the seed drill is used for sowing with the help of tractors. This tool sows the seeds uniformly at proper distances and depths. It ensures that seeds get covered by the soil after sowing. This prevents damage caused by birds. Sowing by using a seed drill saves time and labor. Okay.